In today's commodity video, talking about my crude oil trade and how it is performing lately, and also viewing the prices of gold and silver together. So let's get straight to the point. Starting off with gold and silver today first. So right now, since I made my last video on commodity, the prices of gold right now are just sideways, nothing much in the market right now. Volume is also pretty much low, and if you look closely, big wick candles are being formed, and well, I mean, this usually means that the price of gold is struggling to either go towards the upside or go towards the downside, because it is near its all-time high and resistance is being faced by the price of gold. Buyers are deciding whether to push it towards the upside, and bears are trying to dump. But for now, obviously nothing much in the prices of gold, and no major news that can impact gold's price has been released recently, and that's why we are still seeing a very dead price action from gold, because the price is rising slowly, but the volume is declining. And let's see when the volume will kick in, but most probably I'm still expecting a huge dump, because if you look closely, the prices of gold have been pumping in a parabolic manner incessantly, but the volume of gold is dying slowly over here. Imagining a huge pump from here is just, I would say, illogical, but again, anything can happen based on hype. And yes, the price can pump from here, but logically speaking, I'm still expecting a dump in the price of gold as of now. Talking about silver, well, silver made a new all-time high today only, as you can clearly see over here. Volume of silver is also pretty much low. As you can see, the volume of silver is declining, but the price is pumping in a straight line parabolically. This obviously means an overbought market right now, and it is just based on hype. And obviously I'm not taking any trade over here, not going short also and not going long also, because it is very risky and no one can predict the exact top of silver right now. So it is better to not fell for greed, and let's just wait for the price of silver to show a very good reversal sign. Then only I'll consider taking a short position, a risky short position obviously. But for now, gold and silver, I'm not taking any trade, and well, nothing surprising in these two. Right, talking about crude oil in the end. So this is my crude oil trade, and I took this trade in front of you guys. I explained everything, why I am entering in a long position and why exactly at this level at this time. So right now the price of crude oil is gradually pumping from here. As you can see, currently it is sitting at $56.5 level. To be quite honest, let's just see. I'm not trailing my stop loss for now, so my stop loss is still at $53.4 only. If the price of crude oil comes at approximately 57.8 or 57.7, then only I'll switch my stop loss from actual price to the entry price, so that this trade can become risk-free trade for me. But for now, I am just holding on to my trade, and anything can happen. The price of crude can reverse from here, or it can go towards the upside as well. But as I am entered in a long position, so I am expecting a pump in the price of crude from here. What do you guys think? What does your analysis say? Do comment below. So yeah, that's just a quick short video on commodity, and I am personally waiting for next week, what the next week has to offer for commodity, crude oil, gold and silver. And I'm just waiting right now. How long will the price of silver keep rising like this, because it has to fall towards the downside. Maybe in 2026 it will dump heavily. Well, let's see, no one knows. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video.